Gonna wire in a Cornelius Ice Maker here. It's a Nugget Cornelius Ice Maker, and I'm already got the water connected. I'm just about to go ahead and wire it in, and then plug it in and let it start running. I'm gonna run my power wire through. Power wire is right here. Just running it through the tie downs, and then run it through the conduit. There you go. Go. Got it tied down so the wire is secured. Then right here, this is where I'm going to connect up to my power box here. Okay. Something like this here, if you're not familiar, as far as wiring goes, you should always check your wiring schematic just to make sure that you're getting the wiring done correctly. But basically for this one here, I'm going black to black, white to white, and then green is ground. So it's pretty simple.
Sorry. Blocking your way.
There you go. Black to black, white to white, green to green.
Doing some job up here.
Oh yeah, putting in the new.
You guys to keep up on the moon.
screw up top too. Secure that. Make sure the bottom one's secure. Okay, both sides are secure now. So now I'm going to go ahead and leave it in the off position for right now, but this is the power switch, on-off switch right there. But I'm going to leave it in the off position for now, and then I'll go down underneath and plug it in. Then we should be able to let it start making ice. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I got the unit plugged in now. Now it's on. I'm going to go ahead. It has a little bit of a delay before it starts making ice, so have to give it a few moments, and then the water will come in. The refrigeration's going to freeze the water inside the coil, and then there's going to be a blade that's going to break up all of the frozen water, and then it's going to push it up and then over so that it goes down the chute back here. It's going to go down this chute. You see that? It's like plastic, but they got it insulated so there's not a lot of condensation. So it's going to end up doing its thing, and then we'll see how it does as far as making ice. You always want to try to stay on site until you at least see it go through a few cycles of ice, just to make sure that you're not going to get any callbacks. You see the water inlet right there? The water's going in as it's starting to freeze, so it has a slight delay, but it is functioning properly. And then right in here is where the float is, the float mechanism. And when the float moves up, then it's going to shut off the water flow. And then as the water freezes down, it goes and circulates, making ice. It's going to continue to cycle like that, shutting the water on and shutting the water off, and then turning it back on, opening up the valve again. So it's starting to drop now. I'm going to see if I can get a. Let me grab my flashlight so you can see. It's kind of, you can hear it dropping. I just want to make sure it's dropping correctly. Okay. And now you can see it's starting to drop. Okay, so that's dropping pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it make some ice, and then I'll come back in and check it out, see about dispensing some ice out of there, make sure it's good. I emptied out the bin, I sanitized the bin, and it should be good from here. I'll let you guys kind of see the setup of this. It's It's a single smaller unit. I had to come in here with a genie lift to remove the old ice maker and then install this new one. I installed a 3/8 water shut off on the back of the water line right there, because the water line's a little tough to get to from underneath the counter. So I set that up with a shut off up here, ran my power. Unit's operational now, so now I'm going to start buttoning up this soda machine, get this set up right, and then we should be good to go. Okay, been allowed the ice maker to run for a little while, so it's not really all the way full, but it's coming out a lot better now. That's a lot better. You see how it's nugget type, so it's not sticking together like the last one. And a lot of that could have been because I found a broken part from the adapter kit. See this bar? This bar was stuck in the ice bin. After I emptied it, I found it stuck in there. It was jammed in there. So what it did was it fell down from the top. I had to put another support bar in there, but this one fell down and was in the middle of the ice. And as you can see, it got bent, so it was damaged, and it was scraping against the ice bin inside. So eventually that would have caused a lot more damage. So I'm hopeful that everything seems to be working fine right now, so we should be good to go. Thank you all for watching. Take care. Stay well.